All right, some big news. We talked a little bit about this at 4. There is a new drug out there that is going to help with treatment with Alzheimer's, and so many people are affected by that.
Yeah.
So we'll send it over to Dr. McGeorge. I know that you are working on this, and this is obviously some exciting news.
Absolutely, Pam and Karen. So the newest announcement is for a monoclonal antibody called lecanemab. Now, this drug targets the abnormal brain protein known as amyloid, which has been associated with Alzheimer's disease. Now, most notably, though, what we know about this drug is actually from a press release. The actual data has not been published yet. Still, it is being welcomed by the Alzheimer's community.
We are very excited that there's a new drug. Every drug that is released is building upon drugs before it.
That's Jennifer Leppard, president of the Michigan Alzheimer's Association. The drug, called lecanemab, was tested in a global clinical trial involving nearly 1,800 people with mild cognitive impairment from Alzheimer's disease over a period of 18 months. In a press release, the manufacturers announced there was a 27% reduction in the clinical decline in people who received the medication. It also showed a reduction in the level of the targeted abnormal protein called amyloid. Recently, a similar drug called Aduhelm was approved by the FDA on the grounds that it also reduced the amount of amyloid in the brain. But Aduhelm has not been widely adopted. Still, these developments are a source of ongoing hope.
Ongoing hope is exactly the right way to say it. 2 years ago, we had no disease-modifying drugs at all. Now we're on our second, and every single one is going to build on the progress before. I actually have a parent who's living with Alzheimer's right now. One thing that people don't realize with Alzheimer's is the average trajectory is 8 to 10 years from symptoms through the course of the disease. So it is a very lengthy disease, which of course continues to get progressively worse as it goes on.
Now, although the treatment showed what was reported as a 27% better outcome, there's actually a question of whether that is clinically meaningful. Here's the deal. The scale used in the study has a range of 18 points, and this drug had less than a half a point effect on the scale, meaning it may actually be too small to benefit most people.
And so the other thing that people, I'm sure, are wondering about this is the cost. Is it going to be expensive?
Well, that's an important point, and the companies actually did not announce the price yet. But the similar drug that was recently released, that's called Aduhelm, was actually priced at $56,000 a year, which was high enough that given its questionable effectiveness, Medicare would not cover it. Now, this drug does not have FDA approval yet, and it did show some clinical benefit, so it might actually be covered, but I'm sure it is still going to be very expensive.
Understandable. All right. Thank you, Doc. We appreciate it.